Welcome to the interview series with the TERMINET Open Call winners. I'm Valentin Popescu from Artel, and today with me is Vangelis Sakalis from TrackBit Technologies. They were selected with a proposal entitled Next Generation Personalized Edge AI Healthcare. Thank you for joining. First question would be, could you please tell us something about your organization and your project?
Well, yes, thanks very much for this nice interview. So TrackBit Technologies is a fast-growing company with acknowledged excellence in conducting high-level research and development of innovative systems and services in the area of med tech, so medical technology, sensing, and Internet of Medical Things. So our core technology consists of an in-house developed medical wearable device that has two applications, can operate in and out of the clinic, and can be used in a wrist or patch chest version. So that device is an easy-to-use device, can be used by all age groups, and allows for continuous and synchronous monitoring of patients' vital signs. And that comes together with a highly customized physician-facing portal and patient application that is augmented with artificial intelligence insights and alerts. So the device that is offered by TrackBit and the service as a whole allows for monitoring of cardiorespiratory diseases. We focus mostly on elderly initially and can capture a number of vital signs, including cuffless blood pressure, heart rate variability, respiratory rate, oxygen saturation, temperature, and activity tracking. So the idea is that the TrackBit solution can substitute a Holter monitoring system and can manage about 1/3 of the cardiorespiratory patients at home. So that would greatly increase hospitalization throughput by allowing early discharge.
Please.
Yes, so our team consists of biomedical engineers, machine learning engineers, electrical and telecommunications engineers. So,
what are the objectives of your project in the premise of TERMINET Open Call?
So what we do face most of the time is that doctors are anxious and face ethical dilemmas, who to admit and how long to keep patients in the hospital, and what happens when and if they are discharged earlier. So by having access to TrackBit services that would be integrated with TERMINET, that would allow them to make earlier decisions and provide faster alerts to non-compliance when patients are not in the clinical settings. So healthcare managers, policymakers, departments of health can utilize resources in a better way while responding to unexpected events like the current pandemic, for example. So in order to support such a scenario of personalized and participatory medicine, there is a vast amount of data exchange being sent to the cloud and back for analysis. So that type of data also includes personal sensitive data that has to leave the subject to be stored and processed in a distant location. So our main objective here is to provide a solution through the provided support of the TERMINET federated learning framework and architecture in general that would allow the edge nodes to use their local data to train advanced machine learning models without having the actual data leaving the edge. So you only exchange, let's say, model updates. And that is also happening in a secure and privacy-preserving way. So in that context, our proposal offers a solution that encompasses TERMINET's framework for testing, validating, and demonstrating federated models and machine learning algorithms in a personalized healthcare scenario.
Thank you. How will your project benefit the TERMINET project?
So the proposed solution actually is in line and greatly enhances the use case of TERMINET that's named the pathway of personalized healthcare. So the solution provided in the open call comprises of, let's say, two different components. The first one is the wearable patch and wrist sensor, along with an edge platform for biosignal capture and analysis. And that comes together with a second large component that has to do with the clinical decision support system that is based on the real-time recordings of vital signs. And that utilizes the advantages of edge computing, ensuring data privacy security while minimizing latency. So by using such data together with the TERMINET architecture, we can provide an AI edge service for healthcare professionals, improving procedures both in clinical and management level. We can support the creation of new solutions based on the TERMINET architecture by providing the AI component that we ourselves are going to use also, and the wearables if needed, for entrepreneurs, smaller SMEs that want to provide novel solutions in the healthcare domain. We can also share our secure cloud infrastructure and the interoperability service that would allow exchange of data and AI models in a secure and standardized way by making use of interoperability standards like HL7 and FHIR.
And one final question, what benefits do you foresee from your involvement in the TERMINET Open Call and in the overall NG-IoT community?
Well, thanks a lot for this question. Actually, we're really happy to be joining this consortium because today, most of the IoT systems in the market that are used for monitoring of vital signs, for example, are neither standardized nor certified, and they are highly inaccurate. Furthermore, there is a plethora of applications and services that are supported by smartphones and mobile applications that make use of a number of external sensing devices. So our vision is to be part of this really huge market, actually, and to launch a next generation wearable and e-health ecosystem that will be driven by the TERMINET technology. And we hope that it will greatly impact the European technology sector. So we foresee a solution that will provide 24 hours continuous and synchronous recording of important biomarkers and automated analysis using federated learning that would allow early identification of exacerbation signs. That is really helpful for elderly and people in need with chronic diseases. So all that service will happen in a standardized way that is going to be based on the TERMINET open and decentralized architecture that ensures secure and privacy-preserving IoT devices.
Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you as well.